Hello guys, stay with me because today I will be unboxing a BMW R 1300 GS Adventure, the new release from BMW for 2024. I've already tried the GS 1300. I went with it in Africa. It was a superb trip and the bike was super nice. But now the Adventure is something else. You have that large tank. We saw it already when they launched it in Garmisch, but it's a different thing to have it for yourself. This will be a long-term test bike that we will use for next year and this winter. I can't wait to get my hands on it and to test ride it. Let's have a quick pick. Oh, it's a green one. It's a Tramontana. Check out the colors. And with the option 719 over there. Man, it looks so nice. The straps are already off and we can remove the cap so the bike will come to light the first time after leaving the plant in Berlin. GS Adventure. Check out this front end because it's beautiful. You have the auxiliary lights here in the front. You get some Anarchy Adventures over here. And what's different? I can only spot this huge difference over here and the panniers rack in the back, which is harder right now. It's beefier, it's bigger. Maybe you can put some extra load on it. So this is why they are cast aluminum panniers holders right now. The rear frame of the bike seems to be different from the GS, the normal one, the 1300. The exhaust looks the same, and the engine guards are different because they have an extra part over here, maybe just to protect the gas tank and to get rid of the guards that were fitted in the upper part of the bike. Let's see some more. So I have to remove these things. It's super easy to do it. They are like in two of the sides of the bike. There's two on the back and two in the front. They won't come off very easy. Oh, this is the way you do it. There are some extra things that you get with the bike. This should be the windshield and the mirrors and hand guards that we need to fit on the bike. I won't be doing this today, but I want to see the windshield and the engine guard, I think. Okay, so we have the engine guard over here. Let's check it out because, oh, it looks super strong and super nice and beefy. This goes underneath the bike. This is the engine guard. What else? There should be a windshield somewhere. I think these are the mirrors. Let's check them out. Okay, you are a... yeah, mirror. These mirrors are super nice because they have a blind spot awareness. The triangle lights up when you have some bikes or some vehicles behind you because you have a radar also fitted on the back of the bike. What else? You get the manual, which I should read, but not now. In here, I have some extra parts that need to be fitted on the bike for the panniers and for different stuff. I don't know. I will check it out. This is for the toolbox. This is the extra mirror that I have to fit, the manual. These are some wind deflectors that will go somewhere near the windshield. This is a part. These are the tone lights that will be fitted into the hand guards. Some extra plastic parts, maybe underneath the bike, and an extra hand guard. But I still miss the windshield. Maybe this one is the windshield? Let's get it to light. Finally found the windshield. I think this one is a bit larger and a bit, I think 1 centimeter to 10 centimeters taller than the one that you get with the normal bike. But you have extra wind deflectors over here. It should be higher and better, offering better wind protection than the one on the normal GS, because this bike is made for long hauls and everybody will enjoy some extra wind protection. Let me arrange things around here because I don't want to scratch parts and I don't want to lose parts. So I will be putting them back into the bag. But first of all, if I want to start the bike, I need to find the manual, because near the manual there should be some bolts. Here are the bolts for the battery. Yeah, I know my unboxings. Now I will remove this part, this side of the box, like this. And we can check it out the whole bike, because yeah, it's bigger. Man, there are so many things that this bike needs to be fitted with in order to get it ready, but it's super beefier here in the front area. I like the technical side of it because BMW built in some features like these holders that you can change. The panniers can be changed with a system of holders, which you can add up some extra luggage system for the tank, for the side of the bike, and also for the rear passenger seat, which is amazing because yeah, you can add up lots of things. I have the key here. The key, it's the new one. I like it. It's very nicely designed. Also, a key for the panniers that you need to fit in order for the bike to have the same key feature. Let's remove the saddle. Okay, this is the rear saddle. It has heating on it. This is the heating system. Over here you have an extra space to deposit your, I don't know, tools, maybe some tools for the bike if you need, or some documents. Let's remove the front seat. You still have the connector for the heating here on the saddle for the rider. The battery here, and these are the plugs that I need to connect. This is the OBD connector that will communicate with the computer, and these are the plus and minus, the positive and negative that I need to fit on the battery so we can give it a go. Huh? I have the bolts here, let's do it. This is a LiPo battery. This means it's lighter, and you know, it's a nice thing that it offers you a larger lifespan. So this is important, an important feature from BMW. This is better, a lot better right now, because I know I won't be scratching it, but check out this matte green Tramontana here. The key is in my hand. Now the bike should come to life if I press this button. You don't have that button in the center, no more extra button, you have it on the right hand. It's a nice feature to have. Okay, so it says the tank reserve level reached. I won't be riding to the next station, but I will want to see what's the important feature about this bike. Check it out. This one is the comfort system, which besides the adaptive electronic suspension that you have that lowers itself when you stop at a standstill, this one is even lower with 2 centimeters. So this comfort feature is for the guys that are not that tall and need more stability while stopping at the stoplights, while doing slow speeds maneuvers and stuff like that. So this is an interesting feature for the adventure bike. Now for the big moment, we start the bike up. I know it has oil inside the engine. On the left side I've checked it, the oil level is easy to spot. I know it comes with just a slightly bit of gasoline inside the tank, so you can start it up. It already says that reserve is reached, so I need to fill it up, but I won't be filling it up. Next on my list is the startup. Let's check the engine noise. It's a pleasant sound. This 1300 GS Boxer sounds very good. I like it a lot. I'm used to the sound, but I can't wait to test this bike because it's a whole different story. It's larger, it's bigger, it's heavier, better wind protection, better luggage system. I can't wait to get it on the road and see what's all about the new adventure. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this GS Adventure. I know at the last video that I made, you guys said that you'd like it or not. It's a take it or leave it look, but sincerely, when you will see it live, it will grow on you because it doesn't look that bad and it has a nice feeling about the whole idea of doing long trips. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys.